Well, good morning, everyone. It is Friday, August the 13th, so Friday the 13th. I had a pretty messed up day yesterday, so hopefully I don't have some Friday the 13th mojo happening here today as well, but getting a late start, just trying to figure out what to do about that rear tire. I could not get the tire off the rim. I knew that might be an issue because it's been on there riding every day, so it's really hooked on. If you know anything about mountain bike tires, especially tubeless setups, they're made to be on there secure so air doesn't leak out, and right now I could not get it off. So I filled it up. If I feel like if I could get some more sealant, I would be fine. I think I'm a little low and that's why it won't completely seal. So anyways, we'll deal with that. If I have to stop and put air in, which I know I'm going to every quite quite regularly, then that's what I'm going to have to do for now. Um, don't really have any money in the budget for extra bike stuff right now, so I'm gonna have to figure something out. So anyways, guys, signing on for, like I said, for Friday the 13th, August in Lewisport. Here's where I'm at right now. Seagull friend, I don't have any food for him though. Yeah, so that's where I stayed last night. That's the motel up there in the background there. And this is Lewisport. So if you're new to the channel, I am just finishing up Across Canada Odyssey that I started last year on Vancouver Island, and I am just about done. So if you're new to the channel, there's going to be many more adventures after this. So if you haven't subscribed, I'd really appreciate it if you do so. Hit that like button, all that stuff. Throw me a comment, say hi, introduce yourself. That would be fantastic. So anyways, guys, looks like it's going to be a good day. The wind, it looks like it might be a bit of a cross tailwind. So let's keep our fingers crossed. Anyways, I'll talk to you guys in a bit. Cheers. All right, guys, I decided to jump on this this trail here from Lewisport back to the highway. On Google, they're calling it part of the T Railway, the Trans-Canada T Railway, but when you go on the Trans-Canada app, at least on my phone, it doesn't show up. It does look pretty new, so maybe I should see if there's an updated version of my map. That's might be the problem. Right here is actually pretty good, but oh, I hope this isn't someone's property right here. Sort of looks like it could be, but there's no one here, I don't think, so we're just coming in for a little view, that's all, nothing big. Oh yeah, it's probably these people's property, yeah. I'll just snap a quick pic and get out. Come over until this car goes by. Oh, you gotta be careful here, that ditch is right there. Nice little spot here. I just stopped for that lady to go by. You'd think you'd see a moose right here. It'd be beautiful. Big bull moose come out of the woods, get a drink or some food. Nope. So I think this is still part of the same lake I was just looking at. Rose Lake. Here to come and check this out. Plus I had to go wee. It seems like a busy road though. A dump truck just went by. Alright, so I'm just about back at the TCH, Trans-Canada Highway. Might as well just say the Trans-Canada Highway if I'm going to say both every time. But yeah, so that's the fork in the road right there. So I can either stay on the T-Railway or go that way and get on the highway. After talking to a guy at McDonald's, he suggested to take the trail up to here, but he said it may not be that enjoyable from here to Gander. He said he's not sure about a paved section like Eric was talking about. I think that might be after or right in Gander, but I'm not really worried about that. I'm gonna jump on the highway, I think, just because of the tire. Get down there faster, 47 kilometers. By highway, 48 on the trail, so really the same thing. And the scenery looks like it might actually be a little better from the highway just because it's a little higher up, so we'll see. Hey guys. Here we are, back on Old Faithful. No shoulder here, unfortunately, though. Took a break here and I was noticing some raspberries, which I already had some, and then I started looking around and I found a nice score of blueberries, so that's always nice. I noticed there's a lot of blueberries and berries in general. The blueberries make sense. It's the perfect terrain for it, it seems like. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy these. A few sour ones mixed in there. Anyways, I think about 40K to Gander. Everything seems okay with the tire for now, knock on wood. So we'll see what happens. Glenwood here, guys. Just a little community. Stopped and restocked on a couple snacks. Ate an egg salad sandwich. Gander River, Queen Elizabeth II Bridge. Get some photos. After picking up that screw through riding through debris yesterday on the shoulder, I'm obviously a little gun shy now. Well guys, that was a killer hill. I think there might be another one coming. Welcome to Gander, crossroads of the world. Well, hi everyone. So I'm just signing out for Friday, August 13th. So for Friday the 13th, everything went well. No weird occurrences like the day before. But yeah, rode into Gander. I ended up riding quite a bit of the T Railway to get here. I did 63 or 64 kilometers, and half of which were probably on the T Railway, as you would have seen already. And yeah, it was pretty good. It's gonna be a rough trail no matter what. So I think if you're don't want to get too beat up, maybe doing it like I've been doing it in small sections and then some road. The scenery is quite often better from the road, to be honest with you. My thoughts on Newfoundland so far are that I think the truly majestic and most beautiful spots are going to be along the coastline. So that would probably be, I mean, if you're traveling in car, a trip around the circumference of Newfoundland would be amazing. Once you start getting inland, it's a little more of the same kind of, I'm not sure if they're boreal forests. I haven't checked into that. I've been meaning to, but kind of just wide open tundra with those jack pines and very cool, very beautiful. But if you're looking for the grandeur, then it's probably going to be on the coast. So anyways, it's been a great trip so far. Obviously lots to talk about. I'm going to do a sit down and write some thoughts on paper at the end, and then kind of do a video just wrapping it up, my thoughts on it and everything like that. So I'll probably wait till I get home to do that. But yeah, so I'm going to get ready to go for tomorrow morning, and then I'll get back to you guys tomorrow. Cheers.